Welcome to the class. In this class, I am solving one more example on type 4. Okay. In the previous class, we have solved the example on type 4. Today, one more example we'll see. Solve d cube y plus 1 into y is equal to 5 into e raised to x into x square. This is the given equation. Okay. We need to find the solution of this. So what is the procedure? First is to write the auxiliary equation. Okay. So auxiliary equation is m cube plus 1 equal to 0. Now this is a cubic equation. Just by inspection, what you can say, whenever you put inspection is just by putting the values you can check directly. So when you put it as 0, it becomes 1. So you should get 0. Okay. So for which value of m the equation is satisfied? For minus 1. So m is equal to minus 1. One root we have got. Since it is a cubic equation, how many roots it has? It has 3 roots. Okay. One root we have got. Next, we need to find 2 more roots. Once we found it by inspection method, the remaining roots will be found by using the synthetic division method. Okay. Now, by synthetic division method, what will we do? Synthetic division method, how you write? We used to write. So in synthetic division method, we used to write this m cube plus 1. We have to write this as full equation m cube plus 0 into m square. We don't have any m square term. So we are writing it as 0 into m square plus 0 into m plus 1 equal to 0. Cubic equation ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬಿಕ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಯಾವುದು ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಎಂ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಎಂ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅವನ್ನ ನಾವು 0 ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಎಂ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 0 ಇಂಟು ಎಂ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 0 ಇಂಟು ಎಂ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0. ಇವಾಗ ಸಿಂಥೆಟಿಕ್ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ದ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದೀಸ್ ಎಂ. Okay. Now, coefficient of m cube is 1. Coefficient of m square is 0. Coefficient of m is 0. And constant term is 1. Okay. Now, once we write coefficients of m 1, 0, 0, 1 of this cubic equation, now we have to take the first root, what we have obtained by inspection as minus 1. Okay. So minus 1, first term we have to multiply with 0. So 1 plus 0 is 1. Okay. Now minus 1 into this one is minus 1. 0 minus 1 is minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Okay. We have eliminated fourth term, that is we have reduced the cubic equation to quadratic equation. Now this can be written as m square, this one coefficient of m square is 1 now, minus m plus 1 equal to 0. What we did? Synthetic division method. By synthetic division method, we have reduced this cubic equation to quadratic equation, m square minus m plus 1 equal to 0. Again, this is a quadratic equation. You should get, when you simplify this, you should get 2 roots. Okay. Just by simple factors, we can't do the simple factorization. So this is the quadratic equation reduce ಆಯ್ತು ಇವಾಗ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ 2 ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರೈಸೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. Again we have to use the Sridhar's method. Okay. We'll do it here. So to find the root for this equation, m square minus m plus 1 equal to 0. A is 1, B is minus 1 and C is 1. So m equal to what now? It is 1 plus or minus square root of b square is 1 minus 4ac. All terms are 1, so it is 4. Divided by 2a, it is 2. So 1 plus or minus 1 minus 4 is minus root 3. So root 3 into I divided by 2. Therefore, m is equal to what? 1 plus or minus I root 3 divided by 2. These are the roots. Therefore, roots of auxiliary equation are, first root is minus 1. Okay. Second root is 1 by 2 plus I root 3 by 2. Third root is 1 by 2 minus I root 3 by 2. You can write like this. Once you get roots, you can write the complementary solution. Hence, YC, that is a complementary solution, is e raised to minus x c1 into e raised to minus x plus e raised to, here 1 by 2. These two are the complex roots. So e raised to x by 2 into c2 cos of root 3 by 2 x plus c3 sin of root 3 by 2 x. This is your YC, complementary solution. Next, we are going to find YP, or particular integral. So YP is what? The equation is e raised to x into 5x square divided by f of d. What is your f of d? F of d is d cube plus 1. So first step is what? First step is we have to replace d by d plus a. Okay, what is a here? A is coefficient of x, e raised to e to the power ax. So here coefficient of x is 1. So d plus 1. Right there. Then e raised to x into 5x square divided by d plus 1 cube plus 1. So e raised to x as it is, 5x square in the numerator as it is, d plus 1 whole cube, a plus b whole cube formula, apply that. So it is a d cube plus 3d plus 3d square plus 2 when you simplify it. Therefore, you can write now 5x square is what? Here. This is x square is what? It is a polynomial. Okay. Now, you can rearrange this yp as, since in the numerator we have x square, it is a polynomial. Okay. Now you can of type 3. Okay. So you can write it as, I want to write it in a standard form. I multiply and divide it by 2. And numerator should be written in, we'll take 5 here only. Okay. Descending powers of x. We have to write f of x in descending powers of x and denominator in ascending powers of x. So it is 2 plus 3d plus 3d square plus d cube. Since we have 2 here, that's why I am going to multiply and divide it by 2 for further simplification. This is in the form of 5 of x divided by f of d. Okay. In that case, what we did, you, if a particular integral is of the form 5 of x f of d, then we need to divide 5 of x by f of d. Now, let us divide numerator. Numerator is 2x square by 2 plus 3d plus 3d square plus d cube. Okay, we have here 2x square. Okay, we want 2x square to be, make this as 0. Okay, so here we have 2. So multiply this equation with x square. Then 2 into x square, 2x square. Then subtract. Plus 3d into x square. We'll write here 2 plus 3d plus 3d square plus d cube of x square. Okay. 2x square is 2x square plus 3 times dx square plus 3 times d square x square plus d cube times x square, like this. Okay. Now 2x square as it is, 3 times dx square. D means what? Differentiation of x square. That is 2x plus 3 into d square x square means what? We have to differentiate x square 2 times. One time if you differentiate it is 2x. Differentiation of 2x is 2. Here it becomes 0. This is how to write. So it is 2x square plus 3 into 2. It's 6x plus 6. Now subtract. So when you subtract, 2x square cancels. So you left out with minus 6x minus 6. Okay. Now minus 6x minus 6 I want. Then to get minus 6x, I need to multiply 2 with minus 3x. Okay. Minus 3x into plus 2 is minus 6x. So minus 6x minus 3x, 3d of minus 3x. 3d of minus 3x is what? 3 into 3 minus 9. Differentiation of x is 1. So it is minus 9. So minus 9. Now add them. So minus 6x plus 6x cancels. Minus 6 plus 9 is plus 3. Okay. Now I want 3. To get 3, here we have 2. So plus multiply with 3 by 2. 2 into 3 by 2 is 2 to cancel, we'll get plus 3. Remaining differentiation terms, this is a constant. So 3d of 3 by 2, 3d square of 3 by 2, everything becomes 0. So now subtract, it becomes 0. Okay. Therefore, what is your yp now? Our yp is x square minus 3x plus 3 by 2. Hence, what is your complete solution? The complete solution is, what is the complete solution? Y equal to yc plus yp. So, y equal to yc is c1 into e raised to minus x in plus e raised to x by 2 into c2 into cos root 3 by 2x plus c3 into sine root 3 by 2x s plus yp. Yp is x square minus 3x plus 3 divided by 2 is the required solution. Here we have to write this. I forgot to write this. 5 into e raised to x by 2. Okay. This is plus 5 into e raised to x by. This is the required solution of the given differential equation. Okay. Now, in the next video, I am going to solve type 5 example. Till then, keep practicing. If you have any doubt, please comment in the comment box. If you are not yet subscribed my channel, do subscribe and support. Till then, take care. Thank you.